Yes, thank you. Yeah, good evening to one and all here. Today in biomedical instrumentation course, we're going to see structure of AgCl electrode. What is AgCl electrode? It is called silver chloride electrode. It is used as the reference electrode because due to the smaller and stable offset potential, we are using this electrode. In this silver chloride, see here, this is the beaker. This is the In this, the silver chloride ionic side, which is connected into the solution under test by an electrolyte bridge, which is a dilute potassium chloride solution, also saturated with the precipitated silver. Here, the electrolyte or potassium chloride, which is called salt bridge, serves as the liquid conductor to connect one liquid with the other. We have the potassium chloride salt bridge, which is useful to minimize the formation of the concentration of gradient since the potassium and chloride ions possess same mobility, so the resulting liquid to liquid junction potential which is minimized. In a coaxial tube, the AgC electrode which is kept at the central position and the potassium chloride solution is filled around the electrode. Calomel or mercurous chloride electrode is another popular reference electrode we may use. Here, we may also use potassium chloride salt bridge for measuring the electrode for a long time. So, the calomel electrode is very stable over a long period. Say this is the dip we may use. The same material, if you use the same material, we may get some good potential measurements. That's why we go with AgAgC, the same electrode and same reference. So in the field of electrochemistry, we use standard reference for measuring the electrochemical potential. So these electrode operation is fully based on off-cell reaction, which means it involves the transfer of electron between the electrode and electrolyte. So off-cell reaction என்ன? ஏன்னா இந்த ஆஃப்-செல் ரியாக்ஷன்ல தான் இது பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது வாட் இஸ் ஆஃப்-செல் ரியாக்ஷன்? When electrode consists of a silver wire coated with a silver chloride, which function as electrode, அது electrolyte act. So in this case, silver wire act as anode, and while silver chloride which act as the cathode. While electrode which is immersed in an electrolyte solution, a redox fluctuation reaction may occur, while the silver chloride on the surface of the electrode is always reduced from the silver ions and chloride ions. See, this is the equivalent circuit of the biopotential electrode interface. We have the body fluids here. This is the potential difference. So finally, what is the conclusion about this? If we use or if we measure the same metal, we may reduce the artifacts. It may help us to strengthening the getting the potentials correctly. So that's why we prefer the same. In this, we prefer AgCl very particularly for this purpose. Thanks for listening. Thanks for your patience. Thank you for attending this session. Cut பண்ண ரெசின். I will take attendance from the chat box.